Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and today's video is about whether or not microwaves and microwave food is safe to eat in pregnancy. So if you choose to continue to not watch the rest of this video, here's the answer. Yes, both microwaves and microwave food is perfectly safe during pregnancy. Let's start at the beginning. A microwave is a kind of radiation. Now, I know when we think of radiation, we only think of harmful things like X rays and maybe radiation coming out of like a nuclear reactor. But even the light with which we are able to see things is a radiation, and so is sunlight. The word radiation simply means any kind of energy coming out of a source. So all radiations are not harmful, and microwave is the kind of radiation that is not harmful. Now, high doses of these same microwave radiations are used in microwave ovens where the energy of the microwave is converted to heat your food. Is this safe? Yes. Microwaves are designed in a way that the radiation stays within the microwave oven and only gets turned on when you press the start button on the microwave. And just like a bulb which stops emitting light when you turn off the switch, microwave radiations stop being emitted the minute you press the stop button. And yes, unused microwave radiation is absorbed by the microwave oven, so it never gets out. Microwave ovens have to meet safety standards set by the government. So if you are using a non-broken, properly functional microwave, there is no evidence of threat either to your health or your baby's health. But what about the food that you eat? Does that contain the radiation? No. The waves are absorbed by the water in the food and this is converted to heat. This heat is what cooks your food in the microwave oven. Microwaves have been converted to heat. So when you eat this food, you aren't eating food that contains microwave radiation. You are simply eating food that has been heated by microwave radiation as opposed to food that would have been heated by electricity or by gas if you cooked it on a stovetop. One great perk about microwave cooking is that most of the food also retains its nutrients because you need to cook food for a way shorter amount of time in a microwave than you would have to on a stovetop. When food is exposed to high heat and long cooking times, a lot of the nutrients can get destroyed. One common misconception that people have about microwave ovens is that they change the chemical composition of the food, make it radioactive, and therefore dangerous to eat. This is simply not how microwaves work. Ionizing radiations like X-rays and UV light can do that, which is why you will always see X-ray technicians wearing protective gear, and which is why you are always advised to wear sunscreen. But microwaves don't interact with your body cells the same way. So changes in DNA and mutations that can cause cancer don't happen because of microwave radiation. While microwaves are safe to use in pregnancy, there are two precautions you should take. Number one, food gets unevenly heated and this can be problematic if you are cooking things like meat. So make sure that you're stirring your food around at regular intervals. And number two, food can get cooked and heated pretty quickly in a microwave. So make sure that you're handling this food safely and it's not too hot and you don't burn yourself. To sum it up, microwaving is safe and can be a time, energy, and nutrient efficient way of cooking your food. Stovetop cooking, of course, has its benefits, but don't feel guilty if you need to use your microwave once in a while or even regularly to prepare your food and meals. If you are eating a balanced diet, you are already doing a fabulous job for both your health as well as your baby's health, whether that food is being cooked on a stovetop or in a microwave oven. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below or reach out to me on Instagram. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care.